Good morning children, welcome back. In today's session we are going to do the evaluation of class 7 term 2 unit 3 in history, Marathas and Peshwas. Come children, let us learn. Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. Who was the teacher and guardian of Shivaji? Who was the teacher and guardian of Shivaji? Options are Dadaji Kondadev, Kavi Kailash, Jijabai, Ramdas. And the answer is Dadaji Kondadev. He was the teacher and guardian of Shivaji. Question number 2. How was the Prime Minister of Maratha kings known? How was the Prime Minister of Maratha kings known? Options are Deshmukh, Peshwa, Pandit Rao, Patil. The answer is Peshwa. The Prime Minister of Maratha kings was known as Peshwas. Question number 3. Name the family priest of Sambhuji who influenced him in his day-to-day administration. Name the family priest of Sambhuji who influenced him in his day-to-day administration. Options are Sahu, Anjali Datta, Dadaji Kondadev, Kavi Kailash. The answer is Kavi Kailash. Kavi Kailash was a family priest of Sambhuji who influenced him in his day-to-day administration. Question number 4. What was the backbone of Shivaji's army in the beginning? What was the backbone of Shivaji's army in the beginning? Options are artillery, cavalry, infantry and elephantry. The answer is infantry. Question number 5. Who proclaimed wars and freed Malwa and Gujarat from Mughal domination? Who proclaimed wars and freed Malwa and Gujarat from Mughal domination? Options are Balaji Vishwanath, Baji Rao, Balaji Baji Rao, Shahu. And the answer is Baji Rao. Moving on to Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The spread of Dash movement in Maharashtra helped the Maratha people develop consciousness and oneness. The answer is Bhakti, B-H-A-K-T-I. Bhakti movement in Maharashtra helped the Maratha people develop consciousness and oneness. Question number 2. Dash was a key official of revenue administration of Peshwa. Dash was the key official of revenue administration of Peshwa. The answer is Kama Visdar. K-A-M-A-V-I-S-D-A-R. Question number 3. The imperial movement of the Marathas sadly ended at Dash in 1761. The imperial movement of the Marathas sadly ended at Dash in 1761. Answer is Panipat. P-A-N-I-P-A-T. Panipat. Question number 4. Dash was the foreign minister in the Ashtapradhan. Dash was the foreign minister in the Ashtapradhan. Answer is Sumant or Duber. S-U-M-A-N-T. Sumant or Duber. D-U-B-E-E-R. Duber. Question number 5. Sambhuji succeeded Shivaji after a succession tussle with Dash. Answer is Anaji Datto. A-N-A-J-I-D-A-T-T-O. Anaji Datto. Moving on to Roman number 3, match the following. Shaji Bhonsle, mother of Shivaji. Sambhuji, general of Bijapur. Shahu, Shivaji's father. Jijabai, son of Shivaji. Afzal Khan, Shivaji's grandson. And the correct answers are Shaji Bhonsle, Shivaji's father. Sambhuji, son of Shivaji. Shahu, Shivaji's grandson. Jijabai, mother of Shivaji. Afzal Khan, general of Bijapur. Moving to Roman number 4, true or false. Question number 1. The rocky and mountainous terrain gave protection to the Marathas from invaders. Rocky and mountainous terrain gave protection to the Marathas from invaders. Answer is true. Question number 2. Hymns composed in Sanskrit by the Bhakti saints were sung by people of all castes and classes. Hymns composed in Sanskrit by the Bhakti saints were sung by people of all castes and classes. Answer is false. Hymns were composed in Marathi language and not in Sanskrit. Question number 3. Shivaji captured Purandar from the Mughals. Shivaji captured Purandar from the Mughals. Answer is true. Question number 4. Deshmukhs held sway over rural regions and their control was over between 20 and 100 villages. Deshmukhs held sway over rural regions and their control was over between 20 and 100 villages. Answer is true. Question number 5. Abdali invaded 10 times before finally marching on Delhi. Abdali invaded 10 times before finally marching on Delhi. Answer is false. Abdali invaded 8 times before finally marching on to Delhi. Roman number 5. Consider the following statements. Tick the appropriate answer. Question number 1. Assertion. Soldiers were to live in forts and towns far away from home. Reason. Maratha soldiers were not permitted to retire from battlefields each year for the purpose of cultivating their land. Option A. R is correct explanation of A. Option B. R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is wrong and R is correct. Option D. A and R are wrong. The answer is R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 2. Statement 1. Judging from the ledgers of correspondence and account books, Peshwas were keen on accurate record keeping. Statement 2. Artillery decided the Battle of Panipat in 1771. Option A. 1 is correct. Option B. 2 is correct. Option C. 1 and 2 are correct. Option D. 1 and 2 are false. The correct answer is option C. 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 3. Find the odd one out. Shahaji, Shivaji, Sambhuji, Sahu, Rahuji, Bhonsle. The answer is Rahuji. Question number 4. Find out the wrong pair. Gaikwad, Baroda, Peshwa, Nagpur, Holkar, Indore, Shinde, Gwalior. Answer is Peshwa, Nagpur. Question number 5. Arrange the events in chronological order. Dear children, chronological order is the order in which they have occurred. Shivaji became totally independent after the death of his guardian Kondadev. Emperor Shahu died when Balaji Bajirao was Peshwa. Shivaji resumed his military raids after his father's death and conquered Javali. Balaji Vishwanath became Peshwa. And the correct answer is Shivaji became totally independent after the death of his guardian Kondadev. Shivaji resumed his military raids after his father's death and conquered Javali. Balaji Vishwanath became Peshwa. Emperor Sahu died when Balaji Bajirao was Peshwa. Moving to Roman number 6, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. The impact of Bhakti movement on Marathas. The answer. The spread of Bhakti movement in Maharashtra helped the Maratha people develop consciousness of their identity and oneness. It promoted a feeling of unity, especially in terms of social equality among the Marathas. Question number 2. Chaut and Sardeshmukhi. Shivaji claimed suzerainty, but he did not administer them himself. He protected the people from loot and plunder for which they were required to pay chaut. 1/4 of the revenue as protection money, and Sardes Mukhi one extra 1/10 as chieftain's due. Question number 3. The role of Kama Vistar in Maratha revenue administration. Answer. The revenue administration of the Peshwas was headed by a key official called the Kama Vistar. He was appointed by the Peshwa. He was empowered to maintain a small body of soldiers to police the administrative area from where tribute or tax has to be collected. Question number 4. Execution of Sambhuji by Mughal army. Marathas under Sambhuji were in no position to resist the Mughals. Aurangzeb himself arrived in Deccan in 1681. Aurangzeb's main goal was the annexation of Bijapur and Golconda. These two sultanates fell to Aurangzeb in 1687. In little over a year, Sambhuji was captured by the Mughals and after torture put to death. Question number 5. Battle of Panipat fought in 1761. Answer. The imperial movement of the Marathas sadly ended at Panipat near Delhi in 1761. The king of the Afghans, Ahmad Shah Abdali, invaded 8 times before finally marching on to Delhi. The Marathas were now divided among several commanders who approached the battle with different tactics. Artillery decided the battle in January 1761. The mobile artillery of the Afghans proved lethal against both Maratha cavalry and infantry. Roman number 7. Answer the following. Examine the essential features of Maratha administration under Shivaji. Answer. Shivaji's political system consisted of 3 circles. At the center was a Swaraj. Shivaji was caring and would not allow the people to be harassed in any way. He protected the people from loot and plunder, for which they were required to pay chaut, 1/4 of the revenue as protection money, and Sardes Mukhi an extra 1/10 as the chieftain's due. In the 3rd circle, Shivaji's only objective was plunder. Army. Shivaji's utmost attention was given to his army and training of its personnel. In the beginning, the backbone of his army was the infantry. Shivaji took great care in the maintenance and security of his forts. Ashtapradhan. Shivaji designated 8 ministers as Ashtapradhan, each holding an important portfolio. Peshwa was the equivalent of a modern prime minister in the Maratha Empire. Shivaji was influenced by the Mughals' revenue system. The assessment were made on the actual yield, with 3/5 left to the cultivator and 2/5 taken by the government. Roman number 8. Hordes. Question number 1. Compare the revenue administration of the Peshwas with that of Shivaji. Answer. Revenue administration of Shivaji. Shivaji abolished the zamindari system. Loans were provided to the farmers in the times of famine. The state also collected custom duties and professional taxes. 2 important taxes collected during his time were chaut and Sardes Mukhi. Revenue administration of Peshwas. The revenue administration of Peshwas was headed by a key official called the Kama Vistar. He was empowered to maintain a small body of soldiers to police the administrative area from where tribute or tax had to be collected. A prospective tax or revenue collector who won the contract was expected to have a reputation for wealthy and probity. He was required to pay a portion of the whole of the anticipated revenue, that is 1/3 to 1/2, either out of his own wealth or from the money borrowed from bankers. Roman number 10. Student activity. Match the responsibilities of Ashtapradhan. Amatya, Foreign Minister. Vakya Navis, Commander-in-Chief. Sumant, Finance Minister. Senapati, Interior Minister. And the answers are Amatya, Finance Minister; Vakyanavas, Interior Minister; Sumant, Foreign Minister; Senapati, Commander-in-Chief. With that, we wind up today's session, children. Thank you for watching. For more videos and solutions to book back exercises, please subscribe youtube.com/Samcheer Kalvi Guide. Thank you. Stay blessed.